Hi friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn RSGIS. In this video, I am going to show you how to count points, means location or any other features over your study area using Polygon shapefile in QGIS software. Kindly follow all steps to get the final output number of points on the study areas. If this video is helpful and improve your knowledge, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.